House. This is my house. Room. The room is clean. Door. The door is open. Window. The window is closed. Bed. The bed is comfortable. Table. The table is in the room. Chair. I sit on the chair. Kitchen. The kitchen is big. Let's review. House. Room. Door. Window. Bed. Table. Chair. Kitchen. Food and drink. Food. The food is ready. Water. I drink water every day. Bread. I buy fresh bread. Fruit. I eat fruit in the morning. Meal. This is a good meal. Breakfast. I eat breakfast at home. Lunch. I have lunch at work. Dinner. We have dinner together. Let's review. Food. Water. Bread. Fruit. Meal. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Places. Shop. The shop is open. Street. I live on this street. School. The school is nearby. Hospital. The hospital is large. Office. She works in an office. Café. The café is busy today. Park. The park is quiet. Church. The church is old. Station. I am at the station. Let's review. Shop. Street. School. Hospital. Office. Cafe. Park. Church. Station. Transport. Bus. I take the bus to work. Car. The car is new. Train. The train is late. Taxi. I take a taxi home. Ticket. I have a ticket. Road. The road is busy. Let's review. Bus. Car. Train. Taxi. Ticket. Road. People. Man. The man is tall. Woman. The woman is smiling. Child. The child is happy. Friend. She is my friend. Family. My family is important. Let's review. Man. Woman. Child. Friend. Family. Work and money. Job. He has a job. Work. I go to work. Money. I need some money. Price. The price is high. Bill. I pay the bill. Card. I pay by card. Let's review. Job. Work. Money. Price. Bill. Card. Everyday objects. Phone. I use my phone. Bag. The bag is heavy. Key. I have the key. Clock. The clock is on the wall. Book. I read a book. Let's review. Phone. Bag. Key. Clock. Book. Time and routine. Day. It's a nice day. Night. I sleep at night. Week. There are 7 days in a week. Month. There are 12 months in a year. Let's review. Day. Night. Week. Month. Weather. Sun. The sun is bright. Moon. The moon is round. Rain. The rain is heavy. Cold. It is cold today. Hot. It is hot today. Let's review. Sun. Moon. Rain. Cold. Hot. Life around us. Space. Space is very big. World. The world has many countries. City. I live in the city. People. The people are friendly. Let's review. Space. World. City. People. Almost finished. Time for a quick practice. What is this? Moon. What is this? Bread. What is this? Hospital. Well done. You have practiced 60 everyday English words. You can continue practicing with more English vocabulary lessons on the channel.